So here we have the contour palette. This is great for contouring, bronzing, and highlighting the complexion. So I'm just going to take the contour brush and then tapping it into the darkest shade, which is the contour powder, working through the hairline, a little bit under the cheekbone, and then along the jawline as well. If you think of like a number 3, that gives you a really good kind of shape to work with. And it gives you a really sculpted look as well. And then I'm going to go in with the bronzer shade, which is the one in the middle here. And then taking that more onto the apples of the cheek and blending up and out. And this will softly, just as well as contour, just give a nice warmth to the skin. I'm then going to use the highlight powder and just taking the angled blush brush, I'm going to take a bit of the product and work it onto the tops of my cheekbones. It's a really nice spot for the light to catch and hit the face. And then taking it on the tip of the nose as well as the chin. You can take a little bit onto the forehead too. I also like taking something a little bit smaller, like an eyeshadow blending brush, for the smaller areas of the face, like the tops of the brow bone. And into the inner corner of the eye as well, just down the center of the nose. A little bit on the Cupid's bow, and that's the contour palette.